Hello guys, how are you today? Another video. We're doing a review on this toolkit. It's a company called Tekton. I guess it's called Tekton Rescue. I purchased this. Well, this one I just got in the mail, but I purchased this kit about 2000 maybe 15 or 14, and I've actually continued to use this toolkit for that time without ever any fail. I mean, this is practically the best tool kit I've ever used for to repair phones with. I mean, the screw bits never seem to strip. I mean, I had an iPhone 8 Plus the other day that I was doing the whole frame, and I had to take some of the screws off. And it just, the other screwdriver kept stripping, and I didn't know if it was the screws were too tight, but as soon as I pulled out the Tekton, it came out right away. The only thing that this doesn't come with is the 7, the Ytool for the iPhone 7, but I have a solution for that, which is basically this other thing I bought on Amazon. It's gold tip. It's really, really good. I'll probably put a link in there. It's called the IP7. But let me just get into this real quick. It's called Tekton. Open this up. It's actually pretty cool. Comes with like a little pouch that you can actually travel with. I just wanted to make a video just because I'm so impressed with this that it's probably the best toolkit. It's actually pretty cheap. I paid about $25 like about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's actually like on Amazon a little bit cheaper now. It's like $22, but this is the best toolkit I recommend any repair guy to use. It comes with a cool little thing. You open this up. It's got all these little different little bits. This is the tool that you just snap on. This is called the Tekton. This is amazing. It's got this little spinner thing, whatever. It's really good, easy grip to use. Once in a while, if you're in a little tight spot, this is a little difficult sometimes because it will touch. But you know, these are the drill bits. This is the one I usually use, and it basically kind of just connects just like that. It's pretty simple. But this toolkit I've actually used an older one that, you know, it's just like it's brand new. I mean, this is probably even sharper, but the other one's a little bit worn down a little bit, but it's still does the job. It's like the one. Actually, look here's the old kit. How about this? This is the old kit that I had. Just found it. I'm kind of missing a lot of little pieces here, but this is the one that I continuously used and always, you know, went to that one in case something happened. Also, let me just go over some of this stuff. So that's kind of cool. Then it gives you, you know, a little spudger, gives you a Sesmo. I really like this one. This was always handy. It gives you a tweezer. This tweezer, I mean, no lie, this kit, $25 is worth just this tweezer alone. This tweezer has never failed me. I've had brand new ones, you know, those cheap ones that they send you when you buy some repair kit. These things get dull, they bend. That's garbage. I gotta show you. Give me 1 second. I'll show you the other one. This is my first Tekton, just so you can see that like I have been using it for a long time. If you could take a look at the wear, but look how sharp this is. It's almost like this has been through, like, you know, heck and back. This is very sharp. You got to be careful with that. But you can see, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but this has gotten dull. I actually chipped off one piece, but that was because I was, you know, really like trying to break something. But it's still good. I mean, it's still like my go-to tool whenever I need like to use something very sharp. But you can see after 4 or 5 years of wear and tear, it's still way better. I'll use this before I use any of these other tools that they give you. But just so you can see. But this is amazing. So if anybody needs a tweezer, I mean, I would pay $25 just for this. So then you get this whole definitely toolkit. So they give you a lot of different stuff. Everything you need gives you like a little. You know, I never used these before, but they're like, I guess it's like an Allen wrench. And then you have your other kind of tools here. This didn't come with the Ytool. Actually, you know what? I'm not sure. This might be a Y. Wow. Okay, hold on. Let me see something here. You know what? I stand corrected. Maybe this does come with this tool, and I never really noticed it because at the time there wasn't the iPhone 7. I think I was only doing the 6s. Wow, look at that. I never realized that it did come with it. Wow, so hey, stand corrected. Let me see. I'm just curious to see if this will work. So before we get into this, let me see. So that, hey, if you buy this complete toolkit, let's try it with a tool. 1 second. Let's see if this works. Here's a 7. Let's try to take off. I see. It's not really. It's kind of spinning, maybe a little bit too big. Yeah. See, that's the only problem. It doesn't really work. Yeah, it's like it's too big. So I don't stand corrected because it doesn't come with the Ytool. It is a Ytool or try whatever, but it doesn't fit for what we need for the iPhone 7. So that being said, this toolkit, hands down, is the best toolkit. And yeah, 1 second, sir.